Hey guys, welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to make Procreate brushes. For this brush, we are making a soon-to-be calligraphy favorite of yours, the liquid metal brush. It's a brush with a unique metallic effect in the stroke, which you can use for calligraphy lettering or to give your artwork a bit of pizzazz. We'll be making the brush shape from scratch and use built-in Procreate textures to achieve the effect. So, let's get started and make this brush. Let's create a square canvas with the background color set to pure black, and draw with pure white. Using our monoline brush, draw a circle, and center it. Tap on the layer and choose Invert. Create a new layer above it, tap it, and choose Clipping Mask. Now we are going to create a brush that will give this shape its texture. In this new brush settings, in Stroke Path, set Stroke Property Spacing to Max. In Shape, tap on Edit beside Shape Source, tap Import, and choose Source Library. From the options, select Cloud Shape. Tap Done twice to save selection. Go down to Apple Pencil and set Pressure Opacity to None. Then, here in Properties, under Brush Behavior, set Maximum Size to Max. Now, back in our canvas, with color opacity and brush size at full, let's tap at the center of the image to reveal the cloud shape we created. Now, let's lower the opacity to about 15%, and start filling in these darker areas just to give it some pixels. Tap outside the shape to get variety in the stamps. When you have something that looks like this, you've got your brush shape. Let's copy the canvas by swiping down with 3 fingers and choosing Copy All. Go into the brush we just created, go to Stroke Path, and set Stroke Property Spacing to 5%. In Stabilization, set your preferred streamline settings. In Shape, let's change this brush shape by pasting our copied shape. Down here, turn on Azimuth. In Grain, tap Edit beside Grain Source, tap Import, and choose Source Library. From the selections, choose Clouds 2. Under Grain Behavior, set Movement to 10% and Scale to 30%. In Rendering, set Rendering Mode to Intense Blending. Here, in Blending, set Blend Mode to Screen. In Wet Mix, set all settings to None or 0, except Pull, which should be at 50%. In Dynamics, set Speed Size to -50%. In Apple Pencil, set Pressure Size to Max. Finally, in Properties, set Maximum Size to 200%. And there you have it, a spectacular brush to give you very impressive effects with very little effort. I hope you enjoy making this brush and making fantastic artwork with it. Thank you all so much for all the support. Don't forget to like and leave comments, it really helps the channel reach more artists like you. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you then. Bye!